Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you punt blocking tutorial. In the beginning, let's go to tutorials and enter punt blocking. On punts, certain position on the defense are able to break through line and block the kick. The key to punt blocking is to press RT as soon as the ball is snapped to break through the offensive line. Rush off the edge and press X when in range. Now try with the inside edge rusher. Press Y after breaking through the line to lead up the block. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.